everyone, this is MJ. I'm so excited you've joined me for my countdown to Christmas featuring MJ's Merry Minis. I've designed 25 Christmas ornaments and each one will release from December 1st through to December 25th, and you'll be able to find the pattern for free on my blog on the ornaments release day. Now I'm hosting a crochet along over in my Facebook community group, and the link will be in the description box if you want to join in and post your pictures. If you'd rather not wait for all 25 ornaments to release, I've decided to put together a beautifully designed ebook featuring all 25 crochet ornaments. You can purchase the ebook through the link in my description. Hey, this is MJ, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute little Christmas gnome that you can add to your Christmas tree or a present topper. This one works up really quick in this just basic plain stitch. So you'll need worsted weight yarn, and I'm going to be using mink heather today, and also some white for his beard, a little bead for his nose, a yarn needle, a G 4mm crochet hook. This is a Furl Streamline wood hook, and some scissors and a little glue to glue on the nose. So we'll be working the hat, and I'm working it from the bottom up. So we're starting with the little band. So let's make a slip knot and put it on the hook, and we'll chain out 4. Now work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and in the next 2 chains. So we have 3 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. So now we'll be working in the back loops only. So work a single crochet in the back loop, single crochet in the back loop, single crochet in the back loop, chain 1 and turn, and we'll do the same thing. Single crochet in the back loop and all the way across. So you have 3 stitches per row, and we're going to work up a total of 18 rows. So I'm going to work my rows up off camera, and then when I have my 18 completed, I'll meet you back up. Okay, so I've completed my 18 rows, and I can always just count the ridges because it's every ridge is 2 rows. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We're ending on our right side, so we'll chain 1, folding the band together so the right side's facing. Now to join it, we're going to slip stitch and go right over to the first stitch. So go through the back loop only, and then over onto the other side, and just slip stitch that together. So we're slip stitching across 3 stitches, chain 1 and flip that to the inside. Now what we're going to do is work around 1 stitch per row, so a total of 18 stitches. So we'll work a single crochet into every row. So just count as you go. You want a total of 18. So once you have that complete, we'll meet up again. Okay, so once you're all the way around, we're going to slip stitch to join, chain 2, and then we're going to work half double crochets into every stitch around. So this hat's going to be nice and simple, just worked in half double crochet stitches. When you get all the way around, we're just going to slip stitch in the top of the first half double crochet to join, chain 2, and continue with another 7 rounds. So just working a half double in every stitch around, work a total of 7 more rounds. So 8 in total, 8 half doubles, and it's going to look like this. Now, if you wanted, you could always do, let's say, the band in one color and then stripe 2 colors, and that would look great as well. So that's just another option. I'll give you an idea of how one of my other ornaments I have done this little gift card cozy, and so you could do green and then you could do something striped like that, and then that would look great for a little gnome as well. But this is just your basic pattern, and then you can dress it up however you want. So I've completed a total of 8 rounds of half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll slip stitch to join. And then we can just fasten that off. And now we'll just weave through the front loop of every stitch around to pull in the top of the hat. Now if you wanted to do some decrease rounds and have that decrease, that would be fine too. I just wanted to keep these consistent with my little patterned gnome hats that didn't have any decreasing. But it would be really simple with this style hat to do some decrease rounds if you wanted the top to be a bit pointier. Okay, so I've worked through the front loops. Just pull that tight, and then you can do some additional weaving, and that will cinch that in and secure it. So we can just weave back in the opposite direction. And I just like to keep that. This is what kind of gives it its shape. You can just leave that like that and then pop out the bottom to give it a bit of a shape. Okay, so to make the beard, we want to measure out 13 inches. So you can use whatever color. I'm going to use the white. So you want to measure that you have a strand that's about 13 inches, and then we're just going to wrap back and forth to get 20. Okay, so I'm just going to do that off camera. When I have my 20, I'll meet you up again. Okay, so I have my 20 here. Then you can just cut that. Take a piece of string. And you want to put it into the middle. And just give it a knot. Now you can just add the string to your yarn needle, and then we're just going to weave it up through the hat and out the top. And just pull it through, and then we can just knot this for hanging. We can trim the beard. You just want to cut all those loops down. Okay, and then the final step would be to add the little bead for the nose, and all you want to do is put some glue, use your hot glue gun. Add some glue. You're just going to glue it to the hat. So quick and easy to make this sweet little gnome hat. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tap that bell so you stay updated on all my new videos and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have an awesome day.